Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Word. I Astha Gupta welcome you to my channel. So today's topic is cyber security. We will learn today what is cyber security, why it is important, types of cyber security threats and how to protect against them. So first of all, let's talk about what is cyber security. Cyber security is the practice of protecting systems, networks and programs from digital attacks. These cyber attacks are usually aimed at accessing, changing, or destroying sensitive information, extorting money from users, or interrupting normal business processes. A successful cybersecurity approach has multiple layers of protection spread across the computers, networks, programs, or data that one intends to keep safe. In an organization, the people, processes, and technology must all complement one another to create an effective defense from cyber attack. So we get to know that there are three main elements to protect or defense from cyber attack, that are people, processes, and technology. So coming over to people, user must understand and comply with basic data security principles like choosing a strong password, being wary of attachments in email, and backing up data. For strong passwords, you can refer to my previous video, Password Safety. Link will be given in the description. Next is process. Organization must have a framework for how they deal with both attempted and successful cyber attacks. One well-respected framework can guide you, like NIST. It explains how you can identify attacks, protect system, detect and respond to threats, and recover from successful attacks. Technology. Technology is essential to giving organizations and individuals the computer security tools needed to protect themselves from cyber attacks. Three main entities must be protected, that are endpoint devices, networks, and the cloud. Endpoint devices like computers, smart devices, and router needs to be protected. Common technology used to protect these entities include next generation firewall, DNS filtering, that is domain name system filtering, malware protection, antivirus software, and email security solutions. Don't worry about these terms. I will be covering them in my next upcoming videos. So till then, focus on basics of cybersecurity. So now let's know about why it is so important. In today's connected world, everyone benefits from advanced cyber defense program. At an individual level, a cybersecurity attack can result in everything from identity theft to extortion attempts to the loss of important data like family photos. Everyone relies on critical infrastructure like power plants, hospitals, and financial service companies. Securing these and other organizations is essential to keeping our society functioning. So now let's talk about types of cybersecurity threats. So the first one and the most common one is phishing. Phishing is the practice of sending fraudulent emails that resemble emails from reputable sources. The aim is to steal sensitive data like credit card number and login information. It is the most common types of cyber attack. Next one is ransomware. Ransomware is a type of malicious software. It is designed to extort money by blocking access to files or the computer system until the ransom is paid. Ransom is the money in Bitcoin. Paying the ransom does not guarantee that the files will be recovered or the system will be restored. For the example, there is a popular Unacademy app used for study material. It has been attacked by ransomware 1 month ago. Next one is malware. Malware is a type of software designed to gain unauthorized access or to cause damage to a computer. Social engineering. It is a tactic that adversaries use to trick you into revealing sensitive information. They can solicit a monetary payment or gain access to your confidential data. Social engineering can be combined with any of the threats listed above to make you more likely to click on the links, download malware, or trust a malicious software. It can also be done using a text messages or via phone calls. User can give you, or attacker can give you the links you are getting a gift hamper, or you are awarded with a lottery prize like that, and you click on the link and get attacked by the attacker. So how to protect against them? First, regular backup of your files. Second, only trust HTTP URLs. HTTPS, where S signifies security. So only trust HTTPS URLs always. Don't open attachments or links from unknown sender. Last one but not the least, keep your devices updated with the newest software. So that's all about basics of cybersecurity. I will be covering more topics in my upcoming further videos. Till then, take care and have a good day. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, share and subscribe the channel. Bye bye.